Taliban fighters have captured two more cities in Afghanistan, taking the number of provincial capitals the group has seized to 8 in 6 days, as US-led foreign forces complete their withdrawal. The capture of Faizabad, capital of northeastern province of Badakhshan, came as President Ashraf Ghani arrived in Mazar-e-Sharif city to rally old warlords to the defense of the biggest city in the north as Taliban forces close in.
Taliban fighters took control of another city in northern Afghanistan on Wednesday, an official said, the 8th provincial capital out of country's 34 provincial capitals to fall to the insurgents in 6 days as US-led foreign forces complete their withdrawal. The Taliban capture of Faizabad, capital of the northeastern province of Badakhshan, came as President Ashraf Ghani landed in Mazar-e-Sharif to rally its defenders as Taliban forces closed in on the biggest city in the north. Javad Mujadidi, a provincial council member from Badakhshan, said the Taliban had laid siege to Faizabad before launching an offensive on Tuesday. The Taliban are battling to defeat the US-backed government and reimpose a strict Islamic law. The speed of their advance has shocked the government and its allies. US President Joe Biden urged Afghan leaders to fight for their homeland, saying on Tuesday he did not regret his decision to withdraw, noting that the United States had spent over $1 trillion over 20 years and lost thousands of troops. Afghan officials have appealed for pressure on Pakistan to stop Taliban reinforcements and supplies flowing over the border. Pakistan denies backing the Taliban. Meanwhile, the multilateral meeting on the peace process in Afghanistan convened Tuesday in Qatar's capital of Doha, with participating parties calling for a political settlement to achieve enduring peace in the country. The meeting called for agreements on fundamental issues reached by all sides in a timely manner to jointly promote peace and stability in Afghanistan and ultimately achieve a permanent and comprehensive ceasefire and form an inclusive government in the country.